wonderful day of fishing near the capital of Port Jetty. We had a good participant around 150, and including of kids as well as ladies. Even though there were exams, people do turned up. Okay, the maximum, the highest, the heaviest fish was short of millet. Okay, that was 1.6 kilos. National fish. And the second prize was barracuda. It was 900 grams. And third prize, I believe it was a tawasa, red snapper, 610 grams. So apart from that, around 50 odd people got prizes. They odd fishes. And the maximum number of fishes by around 25 Purante Gedole latte. Okay.
This year, person with disability association was there.
Yeah, they had called me and we invited them to come over because they wanted to come to see how the event is. So only they were concerned whether there would be place for them. But we said we'll adjust, not a problem.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.